What's going on? Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. This is Michael, the owner of Trushine Cleaning. Out here at a new client home. She found me on Facebook. So this is a new client. She did go with the special that I have going on right now. So I have if you schedule a furniture cleaning, you get one room of carpet clean for free. So she did go with that. So I'm getting ready to clean this room. I just vacuumed it, but I'm not gonna clean it yet. So I have these two pieces of furniture that I'm gonna clean. Furniture looks pretty good. No real stains besides like little stuff like that. Should clean up very well. So this is like a delicate material. So what I do is just to be on the for precaution of myself, what I like to do is I like to find an area that's really like maybe like an area like down there, and I use my cleaning agent. I probably like spray a spot full strength down there, and I use a white microfiber towel. I let it sit for probably about 10 minutes while I'm doing other things, and then I come back and then I wipe that same area just to see if I get blue transfer onto the towel. That just shows me that the cleaning agent that I'm using is safe for this material. So it's only been a few times that I've sprayed something and the color of the color of the upholstery got onto the towel. So you just got to be careful with that. But I've already tested out my product already, so I'm already pretty much good. So I'll do a light little mist on it, and I'm going to use my upholstery tool there. So I have been getting a lot of people that wanted to do this special that I have going on, and then I have a few guys that ask me, how am I still profitable if I'm going to give one room for free? So basically, these are the two tools that I need to clean carpet with. This is what I use to clean carpet, and this is what I use to clean most of my upholstery that I clean. Keep in mind, both of those attachments hooks up to the same hose. So I'm really just bringing in an extra tool and give them a room for free. I've already cleaned the basement area. There was 2 rooms in the basement. Let me take you guys down that way. See that real quick. Picture. So I already cleaned this area. Cleaned this basement area already. No spots, no stains. The client just wanted it freshened up. I did not do the steps. Cool. Got my pictures. Yep. So, hello. So to be honest, it's a really easy job. So, okay. So, this room is really considered 2 rooms. So I'm going to do the living room upstairs. I'm going to charge her that price. I'm going to do that room for free. Got a hallway upstairs. It does have some high traffic areas in that room. I'm going to show you guys once I'm done finishing up down here. Show you guys how that room looks. This carpet is actually, this carpet down here is in great condition. She just wanted it freshened up. No spots, no stains, at least none visible. So, I actually been getting a lot of these jobs where the customer just wants the carpet pretty much freshened up I mean, it's a good thing to get the carpets cleaned anyway, at least twice a year. But you know, some customers wait until you actually see visible spots and stains, and then that's when they call us out. But we definitely have quite a few customers that just wants the carpets freshened up. So if anyone's looking for services in the St. Louis, Missouri area, give us a call, 314-518-1853. Alright, you guys, just got done cleaning up this furniture. But, you know, as you've seen it before, it did not have a lot of spots or stains on it. But everything did clean up pretty good. All those little spots that was on the arm came out. Still have a lot of dust, debris. But for the most part, everything came out good. Now I'm about to get ready to clean this room and work my way out the door. Alright, you guys, so doing some agitation on these high traffic areas. They seem to be coming out pretty good. So we're gonna see. Once I start rinsing out everything, we're gonna really see how well those areas is. Mine is a lot of wear and tear on those areas. So there will be a little shade difference compared to areas like that doesn't get walked on compared to that area. So there will be a shade difference, but clean wise, it looks like it's breaking down that dirt pretty well. I only really usually go over the high traffic area, not the whole entire room. Looks like it's coming up good. Like I say, cleaning wise, it's going to be a huge difference, but it still may have some different shadings because this area has been walked on, so it does have a lot of wear and tear compared to this area that doesn't get walked on so often because that's where the couches was.